Farzana Aziz and welcome to my channel. So I receive a lot of questions, people asking what are the hijab or the tudung yang sesuai untuk pakai waktu balik kampung. Balik kampung ni macam raya ke, ataupun nak stay kat rumah, ataupun you jadi tuan rumah, so you want to wear something a bit more comfortable but still nampak cantik, raya, bergaya. I'm wearing Nadra. This is the inner that's made from cotton lycra. So the color matches dia punya belah luar. So now, take the second loop and massage je macam ni. There's many ways to wear it. This is one of the way. I like to wear it macam nampak very clear. Nadra is one of the 5 hijab essentials yang wajib pakai waktu balik kampung. One is an instant, and secondly, it is super thin, tapi dia opaque, that already comes with the lycra inner, and yang ini is made from chiffon. The best part is the fact that it does not take a lot of time, you take less pin. You only need one, and if you dah jahit awal-awal, you don't have to pin it anymore. So kalau nak pakai dengan senang, and it's like fuss free, tak ada benda yang melekat kat muka, you can just pull it behind like this. So untuk part ni, you can even masuk kat belah dalam ni and you're good to go. If you want to see all the available colours of Nadra, just click the link down below.